Did you know a study from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that body weight exercises can build muscle just as effectively as lifting weights? It's true. Whether you're stuck at home, don't have access to a gym, or simply want to save time, you can build muscle fast without any fancy equipment. Today, we're diving into exactly how you can do strength training at home. No dumbbells, no barbells, just your own body weight. Now, you might be thinking, can bodyweight training really give me the results I want? After all, we see all these muscle-packed gym goers on Instagram lifting heavy weights, and it can feel like you need that to get strong. But here's the truth. Bodyweight exercises, when done correctly, are one of the most effective ways to build muscle fast. Building muscle boils down to a few simple principles: muscle tension, time under tension, and progressive overload. Even without equipment, you can achieve these by manipulating your bodyweight exercises. Let's break it down. Number 1. Muscle tension. The goal is to keep the muscles under consistent tension, forcing them to adapt and grow. You don't need heavy weights to achieve this. By focusing on controlled movements and keeping muscles engaged, you'll create that tension. 2. Time under tension. This is the amount of time your muscles are actively working during an exercise. Slower movements with a pause at the peak of the exercise can increase this, leading to greater muscle growth. 3. Progressive overload. This is key to continued muscle growth. You need to keep challenging your body by increasing the intensity of your exercises. But here's the secret. You don't need heavier weights to do that. You can increase the difficulty by adding more reps, slowing down your tempo, or changing the angle of the exercise. Let's talk about the best exercises for building muscle at home. These moves target all the major muscle groups, and by modifying them, you can continually challenge yourself. Number 1, push-ups. The classic bodyweight exercise for the chest, shoulders, and triceps. To build muscle, start by mastering the standard push-up. Once that gets easy, elevate your feet or try diamond push-ups for more difficulty. Slow down your descent to increase time under tension. 2 squats. A powerful exercise for your legs, glutes, and core. Start with bodyweight squats. Once you're comfortable, try pistol squats, single leg squats, or Bulgarian split squats. Again, slow down each rep to increase tension. 3 planks. A great way to target your core, shoulders, and glutes. Hold a standard plank for as long as you can. If that becomes easy, challenge yourself by doing side planks, or try planking with leg raises. It's our 4 lunges, a fantastic exercise for your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. You can do walking lunges, stationary lunges, or add a jump to make them more intense. Chalk your 5 dips using a chair or couch. Target your triceps, chest, and shoulders with dips. Just use a sturdy chair or your couch at home. The deeper you dip, the more tension you create. As you get stronger, you'll need to keep upping the intensity. Here are a few ways to do that without any equipment. Number 1, increase reps and sets. It's simple but effective. Add more reps and increase the number of sets you perform. This forces your muscles to adapt and grow. 2. Slow down. Your reps, time under tension is key. Try a 3-second descent on push-ups or squats, followed by a 2-second hold at the bottom, then explode back up. This increased time under tension will significantly enhance muscle growth. 3 explosive movements. Add plyometrics to your routine. Explosive exercises like squat jumps or push-up claps increase power and challenge your muscles in new ways. 4. Isometric holds. Pause at the peak of each rep, like holding the top of a push-up or the bottom of a squat. This can increase muscle activation and lead to faster growth. Lastly, don't forget that muscle growth happens during recovery, not just during the workout. Stretching, foam rolling, and getting enough sleep are essential for giving your muscles the time they need to rebuild stronger. And here's a pro tip. Consistency is key. Strength training at home doesn't have to be complicated. Do these exercises 3 to 4 times a week, gradually increasing the intensity as you get stronger, and you'll see real progress. Strength training at home can be incredibly effective, and it doesn't require any fancy equipment or a gym membership. With the right exercises and dedication, you can build muscle faster than you might think. Start incorporating these tips into your routine today and watch your body transform.